Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Chicken Jockey from Minecraft. So let's get started. To draw this cute chicken jockey, let's first start by drawing the baby zombie. So I'm going to start right here with the eyes, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle. So I'm just going to come down with a straight line and go across. Come down and complete my rectangle. Then I'm going to just use this as my guide, come right across, maybe over the same length as another rectangle, and about right here, I'll just draw another one for the other eye. So now my two rectangles in, I'm just going to go in here and quickly shade it in. And the hardest part of this drawing today is just keeping all the lines straight as possible, because there's just going to be a lot of straight lines that we need to draw. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come in between and just connect this with a line and come down to draw another rectangle for the nose. It's approximately the same size. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the head. So I'm going to use the eyes as my guide. I'm going to come out just a little bit right about here and just draw a straight line down, and same thing here. So this is my guide for starting the kind of squarish head shape. So I'm going to bring this down. It's kind of squarish, but a little bit taller, I believe, than a square. So I'm going to bring this down, give it a little bit more room at the bottom. So let's say about right here. I'm going to come in, I'm going to round off this corner just a little bit, just so that's a little bit softer, and then connect it at the bottom. So I'm just creating this square right now. So then I'm going to go up. So just take a look, see how high you want to make your head. So say about right there. Now about even, I'm going to go ahead and round off this corner again and go across, so that I don't keep repeating myself throughout this whole drawing. All those corners are going to be rounded off as much as possible, just to make it a softer drawing. Okay, so then now that I have that in, I'm going to come in and let's say about right here, I'm just going to go across and draw the hair. So about right here, I'm just going to go up, across, go up again, across to about here, and then come down to about the same level and across. There, create the hairline. Okay, so then now that is done with the head, we're going to come in and draw the body. So I'll say about right here, maybe, let's just say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, give myself a point, and same thing on the other side. And I'm just going to come down with a line. So about that much. Not too much, just a little bit, about right here, straight down. And then we're going to draw the chicken. So let's come across right here, and we're going to cut it off, a line going across. And we're just going to go ahead and pop this out a little bit, round off the corner, and we're going to start our chicken. So let's bring this straight down. So let's work on the eyes first. I'm going to come down to say about right there, and then connect it. I just like to work the chicken piece by piece. Just makes it a little bit easier, and I can pop things out a little bit better. So this is the eye part. I'm going to come about right here and go across to create this kind of squarish shape right here for the eyes. And I'm going to come across again about right here on the other side to create the other eye right there. And then I'll just go ahead and shade this in so we can see it better, that it's the eye. drawing is a little bit complicated, but hopefully I'm helping you today by breaking it down piece by piece, and also by drawing it in the front view. It makes it a little bit easier. Straight on. No angles. Okay, so now that we have the chicken's eyes in, let's come down. And I'm just going to come right here and just pop it out a tiny bit. And we're going to come down. You don't have to, but I just feel like it makes it look better. So we're going to come down to draw the beak. So the beak is kind of going to be about the same height as the top part of the head. So let's say about right there. Just as a guide, so about right there. And then go ahead once again and connect it. There. And then we're going to go right in the center and draw a line across for the beak. And then let's come down. We're going to come in a little bit now and come down. So this is the bottom of our chicken to where we can draw the waddle. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. And then let's come in the center and say about where the eyes are, right here. Just come straight down to draw the waddle part. And then you can kind of bring it in a little bit to separate it. Just kind of curve the corners. There. Okay, so we have the chicken head in. So then let's come back to this point right here. And we're going to extend this out for the body. Right under the beak. So just a little bit. And then we're going to bring it down. So creating the body. Come straight down to say about right there. And same thing here. About right there. And then round it off once again. And connect. Okay, so we have the chicken's body in. And then we're going to draw the feet. So I'm just going to kind of maybe the center of this piece right here. So I'm just going to say about right here and here. Go ahead and come down. 2 lines and then go across. If you have more vertical space, you can make your chicken taller if you like. So that's the feet, and I'm just going to come in here and draw 2 lines, and then same thing here. So about right here and here. There, so I have the feet in. Then we can go ahead and draw the wings. So I'm going to come out right here and just draw a curve. Finally a curve. And then we're just going to bring it right straight down. And about right there, just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. Curve. Come down. Same area. And connect. Then we need to finish off our baby zombie. So let's come back right here. We're going to draw the hands, come out. Just going to extend this part a little bit, so kind of like the shoulder area. Then we're going to angle it out. And let's say about right there. I'll go ahead and bring this in. Then we're going to come right here and create kind of this square for the hand into this area. And before I forget, I need to draw a line right here to separate the sleeves from the arm. So same thing over here, just come out a little bit and then angle to about right there. Same thing on both sides. To about right here where the eye is. And once again, another line. Okay, so the 2 hands and now the feet. So let's come back right here. and where the eye of the chicken is, and we're going to extend another angle out and then just come straight down. Just fit it into that space. And right here, go across to create the foot, and then another line right here to separate, and same thing here. So go right here. And down. And another line right here. And let's see, hopefully I'm not missing anything. Oh, I am. So right here for the collar of our baby zombie, I'm going to come right here, maybe the same width as the nose. And I'm just going to draw in this little collar shape here. There. And if you like on the baby zombie, you can even put a mouth if you like, but I feel like maybe no mouth makes it a little bit cuter. But that is pretty much it for this cute chicken jockey from Minecraft. I really hope you loved this drawing that helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.